Need a 48 by 102 flatbed trailer? We've got 15 of them. 4 of them are gonna be extendables. Hey guys, we got 20 roll-off cans. Gonna be some 30 yards and 40 yard cans. Also gonna have a couple of nice Mack roll-off trucks gonna be selling as well. Good trucks, ready to roll. Been working every day hauling these cans. Dump trailers, we got the dump trailers. We got this 2021 year model, new, unused, but FET tax is paid. Comes with your tarp kit and everything you need to put it to work and go to work tomorrow. Aluminum dump trailers, frame type, we got them. We got 8 of these nice units, all of them ready to haul, ready to make you money. We got 6 of these Fontaine 48 102 step decks. All these are gonna be from 2006 to 2008 models. Pay attention there, cotton farmers, come get you some. Come see us December 30th, that's on a Thursday, here at 100 Friendship Road at the Eatonton Rebel Auction Yard. We'll be starting at 9 a.m. We're gonna have the auction live. You can come here and bid live and in person. If you can't be here, then bid online via proxy bid or equipment fax. Can't wait to meet you, come see us. You can also get more information at rebelauction.net. If you'd like to have an auction of your very own, give us a call or one of the Rebel Auction representatives. We'd love to sit down and talk to you and talk about our auction process and see how we can work for you.